Hi guys, I'm Gabby. Welcome to my channel if it's your first time here, and if you're returning, thank you so much and welcome back. So in today's video, we're talking about the infamous welcome letter. So after getting approval for your petition, USCIS will transfer your case for further processing to the Department of State's National Visa Center, also known as NVC. Once NVC receives your petition from USCIS, the first step they take is to create your case number in their system. Once this is done, NVC sends a welcome letter by email or physical mail. The welcome letter is confirmation to the petitioner and visa applicant that NVC has received your case from USCIS and what your next steps are. This letter also will include your unique NVC case number, invoice ID, and fee invoices. Both numbers, the case number and invoice number, are required to log into the Consular Electronic Application Center to apply for your immigrant visa and manage your case during the NVC stage. Once you get the welcome letter, you're ready to start applying for your immigrant visa. However, please keep in mind that an approved petition from USCIS does not mean that NVC will immediately begin processing your case. The beneficiary, otherwise known as the visa applicant, has to wait until his or her priority date is current, meaning an immigrant visa is immediately available to him or her. NVC will start its processing 6 to 12 months before your priority date is expected to be current by sending you a welcome letter. While in the case of immediate relatives, such as spouses, parents, and unmarried children under the age of 21 of U.S. citizens, NVC sends welcome letters shortly after it gets the file from USCIS, as priority dates do not apply to them. They are processed quicker compared to others because there isn't an annual limit on the set number of immigrant visas issued to immediate relatives. There are always visas available to immediate relatives, whereas in the case of family-based preference categories, there is a set limit of available immigrant visas set by Congress each year. So when USCIS receives a visa petition in these categories, they will provide a priority date, which can be found on the notice of action, also known as the receipt number. When your priority date meets the most recent cutoff dates in the Department of State's monthly visa bulletin, it then becomes current and NVC will begin processing. So what if your priority date is current, but you still have not received your welcome letter? Generally, it can take a month or more for NVC to receive your case from USCIS, although some cases may be received much sooner. There are a couple of reasons for the delay in getting a welcome letter from NVC. Sometimes the delay is because of some mistakes you may have made previously or because of USCIS, or sometimes the delay can be on NVC's side. If you're waiting for your welcome letter and haven't received it, some of the reasons for not getting it in a timely manner may be that NVC didn't receive the case file from USCIS, or your case file has been lost. Possibly you have changed your address without notifying USCIS or NVC. Another reason may be that USCIS has asked for documents previously but did not get a proper response from either the petitioner and or the applicant. Additional reason may be that USCIS has asked NVC to return the case file because of some other case-related new recent findings which need a proper security check. If you have not received your welcome letter, you can contact NVC by email to see if they received your case from USCIS. When you contact NVC, please make sure to have your USCIS receipt number so that they can locate your case in their system. If they have indeed received your case, they can provide you with your case number and invoice number that's needed to access the Consular Electronic Application Center. In your communication to NVC, please make sure to ask that they provide both the case number and invoice number if they have indeed received your case. However, if there is a delay or issue and they haven't received your case from USCIS, then you will need to follow up with USCIS on your own. Here's a tip. Go ahead and use this opportunity to prepare and gather your documents while you wait for your NVC stage of your visa application process. If you're not sure what these documents are, then be sure to check out my channel for more videos about the documents that you'll need. I'll have helpful videos pinned in the cards above and the description box below. Now, I know you don't want to hear this. This is the truth. This process requires patience. I'll say it again. This process requires patience. NVC generally takes a few weeks to respond to any inquiries that you make, so make sure when you're submitting any inquiries to supply them with as much information as necessary so that they can address your concerns. The public inquiry form is the best way to contact NVC. Also, before contacting them, consider reviewing their frequently asked questions, as it provides the answers to most common questions that people ask. This is a much quicker way to get your answers. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to click the like button before you leave, and please consider subscribing to the channel to get more videos like this. Also, another quick reminder to check out my channel for other helpful videos on the immigrant visa process. I'm not an immigration expert. However, I do share my family's immigration story on the things that we did that I believed helped us be successful in both my husband and my stepdaughter's visa cases. So please feel free to check out my channel for other videos that may be helpful to you. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.